can't do it like we do it.
Fuck Weezy, dog. That nigga suck a nut. Fat nasty.
Fuck Weezy.
Okay, nah. I be listening to Weezy.
I'm so fly like I just copped a jetpack with a snapback. Where my mind at? I don't know. Somewhere lost and found. The psych took it out and stumped it all across the ground. Put it back in. Now I'm going psycho. I might reload. Then I explode. You can call me Hardy, the new school Westland. Yeah, and I'm throwing everything with the Smith & Wesson. Have a punk nigga undressing, but I ain't down for that clown, homie. You can't drown in a pool of sharks. Only time you see me in the dark is when the cannon spark. Pit bulls we bark. Throw me in the mouse pit. I start the violence. Dreadlocks hanging. You know what I'm saying? Rude boy roster. You don't wanna start talking. Walk in the building, Clint looking like some shop. I'm killing this beat right now. The clown is in the zone. You better pick up the phone. Tell them crime got the president for ransom. I need $1 million and then some. Put it in my bank account so I can stack up. Put my feet up in Cuba Cahanas, chilling with Pac and Biggie. You see they ain't dead. Come on, kid. The greatest never, and one of the top two. Get it in with my crew, you know how I do. J.O. done put me on the dotted line, and then I lost my mind. Now I'm feeling myself, new kid hitting puberty. Yeah, compulsive masturbation. You facing the black Jason, and buckshots you facing to your facing. Everything was straight platter. Serve it to your mama on a silver platter. Okay.
We're gonna touch that.
Bring it.